Hello there everybody, Rich Starblast here. Hope you're all having an awesome day and welcome to episode 4 of Sunday Ramblings. As I say, I'll be putting this on Igtv and I'll also be putting it on YouTube, so wherever you are, please comment, like, and if you're watching this on YouTube and you like what you see, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon and select all to be notified every time we upload a new video. So it's going to be a bit of a lighter note this week, or is it really? Depends on how you think about it. Seeing more and more examples of shoddy work where certain sparks seem to have the attitude that if it's hidden in a ceiling or hidden behind a wall or hidden behind a socket, they can get away with stuff. It's only until a customer phones up and complains that they touch the light switch and they get a slight tingle off it, and then a competent person goes along and discovers the horrors that lurk underneath. It's just bad. This is one of the reasons why I want to get into the industry, not because of the potential rewards, financial rewards. It's the case of actually making a difference, because I did put a post on Twitter saying that, calling out all of the kitchen fitters and the bathroom fitters who think it's okay to cut corners and do the electrics themselves when you just see pictures of the holes. In fact, I'll try and bring up the tweet I posted about it. Oh, you can see my ugly fat fingers in the way there. Sorry about that. We're just going to try and find the tweet I put up about it. Just bear with me 1 moment. Yeah, I can actually find it because I've posted quite a bit on here. Here we go. So if we turn this around in, if you can see that, if I've got that perfect there, I can't actually see it at the moment. It's just basically that I'm offering a free service where I'm going to put my backside, my boot up your backside, because the amount of kitchen fitters and bathroom fitters, instead of putting the cost of getting an electrician in, they'd rather quote a cheap price and then bodge the electrics themselves. So this is one of the reasons why I want to get into the industry. So please, as I say to kitchen fitters and bathroom fitters, don't skimp on the cost of an electrician. Just because you've got a piece of paper to say that you're qualified to do it, does it really mean you're competent to do it? So let's stop with the attitude of, oh, it's hidden behind a wall, it's hidden in the ceiling, the customer won't know about it. Yeah, but by the time the customer knows about it, they'll have had a nasty electric shock. And would you like that on your conscience? So please, just take the time to do a decent job. And if you're not qualified to do the electrics yourself, sub it out to someone who's competent to do it. Let's make a change. So as I say, wherever you're watching this right now, if you're watching it on Instagram, go and follow me on Instagram. And if you're watching this on YouTube, don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and smash that bell icon and select all to be notified every time I upload a new video. And I'll see you all next Sunday. Ta-ta for now.